guys, it's Susan. Hey, how's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. So far, so good over this way. So I got a viewer request to see my beading room and some of my stash. So I'm gonna take you on a little tour of my room. And let's get started. So this bookcase it's got some beads. I've got strands of beads and some stuff that I've made. Actually, I think what I need to do, the lighting could be bad in here. Let me turn on the light. Well, I thought it was gonna be a sunny day here in Vegas, but it turned out that it's kind of gloomy. So these containers, I have charms. Over on this side, I've got tons of washi tape because I'm into making some new projects these days. I've got seed beads and crystals. I've got little containers filled with glitter and clasps and beads. And then down here, I've got my main beading supplies. I've got beads, turquoise, check glass beads. So these containers are filled with beads, and these are really nice because the depth is pretty deep, so you can get ample amount of beads in here. And let me just take this one out and show you what I mean. I'll put it over here. And the well is large enough for you to put your hand in and your fingers in so you can remove your beads. And it's not a struggle. So I got these things at the Dollar Tree. So I have these. And then down here I've got more beads and chain, lots of chain, more beads. And in these containers, I've got more smaller size beads. These are 3mm and 4mm beads. And then this one, I've got chip beads. So let's go up to this bookcase. This bookcase, I've got smaller containers, and I've got crystals, and more crystals, more beads, more crystals, and I've got like an assortment of stuff. This is labradorite, connectors and charms, sunstone, and it looks like this one this says Herkimer diamonds. So I don't know if you can see them because Herkimer diamonds are kind of white, but I've got Herkimer diamonds in here. And then I have more labradorite. I've got a sunstone. It looks like a sunstone necklace that I made a while ago. I had forgotten about this. This is really pretty. I wire wrapped it and put it on a chain. Oh no, actually this isn't sunstone. This is citrine. And then I have more wire wrapped labradorite. Looks like more labradorite. I was really into labradorite a while ago. I mean, it's such a beautiful gemstone. Who can resist this, right? So that's my labradorite stash. So let me put this stuff back in here. And then this table is my area that I bead on. So I took out a few containers to show you some of the charms, how I have them stored, and some of the pearls, more charms, clasps, and then I have some different assortment of hematite beads and gold and rose gold and silver color. And I've got some raw gemstones in here, apatite, sunstone, amethyst. And this is my table that I bead on. So this is a project that I'm working on now. I love this necklace. It's a long necklace and it's bronze because I want to use more bronze. I have a lot of bronze findings and chains and charms. So I thought it would look good with this earring, these earrings that I made a while ago. So I'm going to make a video on this one. And then this one I just made, it's wrapped sunstone. And then this one, I'm working on wire wrapping some tiny stones, which would be the stones that are in here, the gemstones in here, and these are small. So I want to put out a video on that. And then I've got my various tools here, my computer area, and this is the table that I do some hammering on. And this is a dish where I've got necklaces that I need to repurpose. So I need to make some videos on this. And this is like a future project. And I think that's about it for my room. So I hope you enjoyed my little video. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next one.